Welcome to the MediaCat Editor tutorial on timecode management. In this video, we'll explore the powerful features that allow you to set and adjust timecodes for subtitle events with precision and ease. Whether you're working on a new project or refining an existing one, mastering timecode management will streamline your workflow and ensure accurate subtitle synchronization. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of MediaCat Editor's timecode functionality. One of the key advantages of MediaCat Editor is its comprehensive keyboard shortcut support. All essential editing functions, including timecode management, can be assigned custom keyboard shortcuts for maximum efficiency. While we provide a default set of shortcuts, you have the flexibility to customize and create your own preferred shortcut combinations. You can save and manage entire shortcut templates, allowing you to create tailored setups for different editing purposes. Let's move on to the process of adding new subtitle events within MediaCat Editor. To add a new subtitle event, one option is to utilize the Insert Subtitle Before or Insert Subtitle After buttons. Alternatively, you can leverage the assigned keyboard shortcuts for added efficiency. Regardless of your chosen method, clicking these options or triggering the respective shortcuts will generate a new subtitle event before or after the current subtitle event you are focusing on, ready for you to input the subtitle text or adjust its timecode immediately. To set the timecodes for your new subtitle event, MediaCat Editor provides dedicated shortcuts for Set Cue In and Set Cue Out. First, ensure that you have the desired subtitle event in focus. Next, navigate to the precise location where you want the subtitle's cue in to begin. You can easily traverse through the video file by clicking directly on the waveform at the bottom of the timeline, or by using the Frame Forward and Frame Backward shortcuts for more granular control. Once you've reached the desired cue-in point, trigger the Set Cue-In shortcut. This will instantly assign the current timecode as the start point for the selected subtitle event. To set the cue out, repeat the process. Navigate to the desired endpoint, and then use the Set Cue Out shortcut to lock in the end timecode. There may be instances where you need to simultaneously set the cue out for the current subtitle event and pull the cue in of the subsequent event right after it. MediaCat Editor offers a dedicated function called Set Cue Out and Enforce Minimum Interval to Next to streamline this process. This functionality is particularly useful when you need to adjust the timecodes for two consecutive subtitle events at once, especially after splitting a single event into two separate ones. To utilize this feature, first, focus on the subtitle event for which you want to set the new cue out. Next, navigate to the precise location where you want the cue out to be set. Once you've reached the desired point, trigger the Set Cue Out and Enforce Minimum Interval to Next shortcut or command. This action will accomplish two tasks simultaneously. It will set the current timecode as the cue out for the focused subtitle event, and it will automatically position the cue in of the next subtitle event immediately after, adhering to the minimum frame gap specified in your validation guide settings. By leveraging this efficient function, you can maintain consistent timing between consecutive subtitle events, ensuring a seamless viewing experience while adhering to industry standards or personal preferences for subtitle timing. For subtle adjustments, MediaCat offers Shift Active Cue In Forward and Shift Active Cue In Backward, which allow you to fine-tune the cue-in timecode of a focused subtitle event with frame-by-frame precision. To use these commands, first, ensure that the subtitle event you want to adjust is in focus. Then, simply trigger the Shift Active Cue-In Forward command to nudge the cue-in timecode forward by one frame. Conversely, the Shift Active Cue-In Backward command will move the cue-in timecode back by one frame. As you invoke these commands, you can review the changes in real time, enabling you to make precise adjustments while simultaneously observing the impact on the video playback. This level of granular control ensures that you can perfectly synchronize the subtitle's cue-in with the corresponding video content, accounting for even the slightest timing discrepancies. Just like the Shift Active Cue-In commands, MediaCat Editor also provides Shift Active Cue Out Forward and Shift Active Cue Out Backward functions, allowing you to make precise adjustments to the cue out timecode of a focused subtitle event. For those instances where you need to fine-tune both the Q-in and Q-out timecodes of a subtitle event simultaneously, MediaCat Editor provides the Shift Active Q-in and Q-out forward and Shift Active Q-in and Q-out backward commands. With the desired subtitle event in focus, triggering the Shift Active Q-in and Q-out forward command will nudge both the Q-in and Q-out timecodes forward by 1 frame, effectively shifting the entire subtitle event forward in time. Conversely, the Shift Active Q-in and Q-out backward command will move both timecodes back by 1 frame. These commands provide a convenient way to maintain the duration of a subtitle event while precisely adjusting its position relative to the video content. As with the individual Q-in and Q-out adjustments, you can observe the changes in real time, ensuring accurate synchronization and seamless integration with the corresponding video segments. With the comprehensive set of timecode management tools available in MediaCat Editor, you now have the power to precisely control and fine-tune the timing of your subtitle events. From quickly inserting new subtitles to making frame-by-frame adjustments, these features empower you to achieve accurate synchronization with your video content, ensuring a seamless and professional viewing experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with these timecode management tools, the more efficient and streamlined your editing workflow will become. Don't hesitate to explore the full range of functionality MediaCat Editor offers and customize your shortcuts and preferences to suit your unique needs. Thank you.